This kimchi fried rice is broken. Let me show you why.
Grab 2 cups of broken rice and wash it clear like your grandma taught ya. Use the index finger test for the water level and you're ready for the stove. Boil it first, then on a low simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. While the rice is ricing, we'll dice up about a 1/4 cup of onions and chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Then we'll cut up 3 stalks of green onions and set that aside. I have some fried tofu pieces here that I like to dice up. I also have some fresh shiitake that I'll dice up. Last preparation step, we're going to take a little bit of gochujang and thin it out with some hot water so it has this type of feel. We'll get a pan on medium heat, add some oil, add some onions, garlic, and mushrooms, and those tofus. Cook down for a couple of minutes. Add in your kimchi, fresh broken rice, and toss it in, mixing everything thoroughly together. Press down on it and let it sit there for a good minute. When we lift up, you'll notice the rice developing a bit of crispiness. Now we'll add a touch of tamari for color, that gochujang sauce for a bit of heat, and a dash of 24 vegan fish sauce for umami. The final component is a high quality sesame oil. Lastly, we're going to flame everything up with a torch to give this some authentic flavor. Drop some green onions, sesame seeds, and give it a final stir, and you are ready to serve.
Just look at how good that separation on that rice looks. Oh my God.